We're back to the room by 10. And I'm like, that was nice, but I want some snacks. So we head to 7, and right then, the sky goes full fucking Armageddon on us. From 0 to downpour in like 45 seconds. We're stuck in front of 7, holding bottles of water, microwavable noodles, and regret. Stuck for like an hour. Rain won't quit. Finally, I say, fuck it, let's run. Room's maybe 250, 300 meters away. We make a mad dash like we're in a war zone. Roads flooded, shoes ruined, but we survived. And that's the reward for our bravery. We smash, then we pass out. Island romance, baby.